cute with that happy birthday thing on your head. Yes, thank you. I bought it. So cute, right? I bought it.
Ang tama nito. Hindi ko nalala.
Sino?
Isang linggo sa. Hindi na kayo pinili.
Sino nito? Thank you for tapping, guys. Nakapag-battle.
So much love being sent to you on your birthday.
Diba, tanga? Dito pa naman ako sa ganito. Tanga.
Yeah, thank you, Weston and Joshua. The others is, I think, busy. It's okay. I can live in the whole day.
Ang kulit kayo lang kaya kausap. Nasa baklaran pa naman ako. Wala na akong choice. Hindi pumunta siya.
You look like a princess.
Guys, Renan, thank you for the heart. O, di ka makakapag-comment, no? You look like a princess. Ooh, thank you. Di ka makakapag-comment, Renan. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Lo, ako yung birthday, talaga. Thank you guys sa pagbate. Thank you. Thank you, Red.
Cass deserves the world on her birthday.
Sing a song for me. Road trip yun. Hindi pa siya nag-start.
I got you, Cass.
Invite mo nagdadasal na yun yung content mo. Thank you for tapping, Abby. Thank you for the heart. Renan, thank you. Thank you, Weston.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cassie. Happy birthday to you.
Ha? Hindi, nag-end live.
Nag-end live ka siya. Ini-invite na siya ni Stay Fresh.
Tanga yan.
Nag-end live din si Stay Fresh.
Thank you, Weston, for singing me a happy birthday song.
Gusto mo si Australia na lang? Wala na ako makakita.
Anything to keep you happy on your birthday.
Lakas na sabi.
Thank you, Weston.
Nagkaroon ko
Appreciate
lang. Do you
it.
want to change him? It's only a friend, diba?
Hindi, bibigyan mo sa akin, ay send mo sa akin yung live ni Tasha.
Because the original.
Kasi siya nagre-regalo
Because the original.
Oo, nagkatrabaho daw. Pinalagay na for last day. Oo. Tapos for this.
laki ng braso ko. Nakakairita.
I can't get over how pretty you are. Cass.
Uy,
Pwede ba
bolero.